Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to block people from seeing your story on Snapchat. So for that you need to go to your profile. You can see this profile image, tap there, and you can see add to my stories and these three vertical dots, tap there. On the bottom you can see story settings. You have to tap there. I have selected friends only. Now tap on customs. So as you can see in this custom privacy page, blocked friends from seeing your new snaps you add to your stories. So just tap on the friends you don't want them to see your stories and just go back and post your story. And anytime you can go again to the story settings, to the custom, and you can undo them. So that's it guys. Likewise you can block people from seeing your Snapchat stories. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.